Today we're putting the DJI Pocket 4 Pro, DJI Pocket 4, and Insta360 Luna Ultra head-to-head in the ultimate camera showdown. We'll test image quality, low light performance, slow motion, D-Log versus D-Log 2, audio quality, active tracking, 12 times zoom, photography, night shots, charging speed, overheating, and much more. But here's the surprise. One camera completely failed a test I wasn't expecting, while another delivered a shocking result that changed my opinion. Which camera is actually worth your money? Stay until the end because the final winner is not the one most people expect. Before we dive in, let's explore some footage first. Comment below which footage you think looks better. This is the 3 times zoom in night mode. That concludes this series of videos. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to say, feel free to leave a comment below. Which one should you choose? The Pocket 4, the upcoming Pocket 4P, or the Luna? I believe many people are waiting for the Pocket 4P to launch before making their final decision between the Pocket 4, the Pocket 4P, and the Luna. I've had the Insta Luna for 2 days now and have spent some time using it. I also compared it with the Pocket 4. If you're currently deciding between DJI and Insta, this comparison may help. The first thing that stood out to me about the Luna is its grip. It feels much more comfortable to hold than the DJI Pocket 4. We also noticed that its button layout is better designed. On the DJI, when shooting in vertical mode, some of the physical buttons are partially blocked. Since I shoot most of my videos vertically, I have to use the touchscreen to zoom instead of operating it blindly with physical controls. On the Luna, the controls are placed along the edge of the screen, making them easy to reach whether you're shooting horizontally or vertically. I think this is one of the small flaws that significantly affects the Pocket 4's user experience. In addition to the customizable button, joystick, and shutter button, the Luna also adds a dedicated zoom rocker. This zoom control is much easier to use than DJI's customizable zoom button. A light push lets you quickly switch between 1x, 2x, 3x, and other focal lengths, while holding the rocker forward allows for a very smooth, continuous zoom. It supports up to 12 times zoom. The customizable shortcut button below the screen is also very comprehensive. You can quickly switch between photo mode, video recording, full view mode, screen lock, filter switching, and many other functions. Let's take a look at some of the useful accessories included in the box. The Luna comes with an integrated protective case. With a single press of the button, the case opens easily, making it very convenient to use. The inside of the cover can also store 2 filters. Compared to that, the Pocket 4 seems to have reduced accessories to save costs. It only includes a gimbal lock and a small black pouch. I feel that for daily use, you'll probably need to buy a third-party protective case. In addition, the standard version of the Pocket 4 does not include a tripod. If you want to place it on a desk for recording, you'll need to purchase either a third-party tripod or a silicone base like the one I'm using. The Luna, on the other hand, includes a small, foldable tripod integrated into the extension handle. It's similar in design to a paperclip. Although it's not the most stable tripod, it's more than sufficient for everyday tabletop shooting. The Pocket 4 comes with 107 gigabytes of built-in storage. Galaxy, likely due to market pressure, also added built-in storage to the Luna. However, probably because of cost considerations, it only offers 47 gigabytes of internal storage, which is enough to record about 1 hour of 4K 60 frames per second video. If you need more storage, you'll have to purchase a compatible third-party storage card. The touchscreen interface is generally very similar on both cameras. Swipe right to review your footage, swipe up to adjust video resolution, swipe down to enter the settings menu, and swipe left to access shooting parameters. One thing Galaxy did differently is how it organizes media playback. After recording, you can categorize, filter, and organize your footage directly on the camera, making it easy to delete unwanted clips before transferring them. The shooting modes are also largely the same, including photo, video, night mode, slow motion, fixed frame rate, and time-lapse. However, Luna adds a group panorama mode. Using this feature, the camera automatically captures 19 photos and combines them into a single panoramic group image using computational photography. This is one of the advantages Galaxy brings from its panoramic camera technology into the Luna.